All right, she sent me back. She said, would you do a deal on all 3 jackets? Good morning. Marbles.
Which things? What are these things?
I don't know. You want to look at it?
No, so didn't you have one?
Burnout Paradise. I have to ask on price. How much were you asking on the games?
Of course, my husband left. I'm not sure. I'll do $2 each.
Okay. Oh, the kickboxing. Oh, that's cool. Let me see. Who's it made by?
Nyland?
Another bag.
It's kind of cool. I like it. I think it's cool.
Why does it look like a tissue box?
Just... Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh!
Chewbacca.
Oh, that's cool. No, I didn't see that.
Alright, so 4. I'll do 2 for each of those.
Okay.
Or is that, does it go together?
It goes together.
We'll do $3.
Okay.
And then we'll share.
And 3 for that.
All right, so we're at 10
I don't know
bucks.
if I want it for 3.
You
It's just
sure?
kind of cool. Yeah,
You just thought it was cool?
Yeah.
So, 5, no, 7.
6. Or, yeah, 7.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay, trying to do all the math.
That's nice. The jacket's on there too. Spider-Man.
Where?
PS4 Spider-Man.
Oh.
Nicktoons Racing for the computer game.
Mm-hmm. See this POD CD? What you talking about right there? Guitar Hero. Oh, Toodle. Hey, look, that's the big ones.
Only $1 each. I feel like that might be worth picking up. I want
10 cents each.
It's a sleeping bag.
Oh,
That's cool.
looks well loved. Mega Blocks. That's clothes over here. XL. Do a bundle deal. Like you do them for 17, throw these 3 in, 20 bucks. What about a Canon Z155?
What do they want for?
5. I'm just thinking parts also.
Alright, let me filter parts on them just in case. It's like 25. So.
Yeah. Worth the risk or no?
No, if it was more consistently closer to 40, I'd say sure. But
All right.
let's just get the
You getting some stuffed animals?
Yeah. Chicken?
Yeah.
Alright, we got some stuffed animals.
What you doing way over
Hey,
here?
how are you?
Let me get a little plastic
You
bag.
just got to see what's out.
Oh, right there. Yeah.
Oh,
One each,
oh,
and then
good,
I think
good.
these said 25 cents.
Yeah.
Or,
So you
okay.
said
2 and a
$1.
quarter.
We actually got new parts to change the oil and a thermostat.
It's got a new blade on it, so.
I just noticed it. It's pretty green. It's a different color. How much for the picture?
$5.
I think 5 is fair.
You like it.
I do.
Aww, he got you.
She's like, I like it.
Lots of little.
Is it a little delicate?
Is it?
or whatever they're called.
That's a beanie, baby.
Nope.
Anything in there is $1 a piece. That is called foxglove beard tongue. It's all three of those are the same. The ones in the back are just blooming sooner. Yeah, it's one of my favorite ones. Hummingbirds love it. Yeah.
How much you have on the jackets?
Just
$10.
$10.
Yep.
thank you. Have a good day.
LLB large.
The LL Bean jacket.
Yeah, $10.
That's pricey.
Yep. Okay.
We got some stains, but I don't know if that really
Might be able to
matters too much.
oxy him out.
I don't know if that's one. Actually, let me Google when's that one real quick. Because if it's one, that might be good too. Beans too.
Right in the middle.
Yeah, he's a couple. We'll get him.
And a Patrick.
Remember the one we sold from Ed and Catherine? We sold for like $70 or something. Didn't know we were getting a bunch of plush today.
Plus whatnot.
Looking for anything in particular?
Do you think they'll all sell? For how much?
Something you'd already have.
What would they sell?
The color block one will for sure sell for $30.
So then what do you need to get all three of them for?
I mean, I'd like to
$20 all
do. I mean, I just feel more comfortable with 5 a piece. Yeah, like all 3 of them will sell.
What's your top dollar? $20 on all three? All right, she sent me back. She said, would you do a deal on all 3 jackets?
$20 for all 3.
All 3? That'll work. And I have a 20, so that works. She's like, go, just like go ahead. All right, back here with my wife, and I'll ask her. These turned out better than what we were thinking.
Yeah.
Forecast was saying like it might rain.
Yeah, we only had maybe like 2 yard sales on the docket. Wasn't expecting much of the day.
But we only spent barely over $30, but we're going to cover with you how that turned out to be pretty good. Anytime you can pick up Switch games. She was like, my husband's not there.
$2 each?
That works out to our benefit sometimes. We're doing these like $20 free shipping. You picked up this Heffalump.
Yeah, from Winnie the Pooh. I recognize it. I'd never seen a Heffalump before. It was 25 cents. We've got it listed for only $15, so nothing crazy. But it has like 4 watchers
Tons of
already.
people are interested.
It's wild.
And then you had some good expertise. We have found these before. We got this bunny and these 2 that we did notice. One is like the polka dots and this one is stripes. What are they called again?
They're Puffalumps.
Puffalumps. Be on the lookout. We got some watchers on some of these. We've sold one that was a little more rare for like $70.
Yeah.
These will get like $20 a piece. Also at that first sale, this thing just looked too cool. It's super clean. It still detaches. It's missing the horse. I think we saw like if you have the horse with it, comps are a little bit higher.
Yeah.
But for $3, we can easily get like $30, $35. Squishmallows, we wouldn't typically pick up.
No, not normally.
$1 a piece, good size, Nightmare Before Christmas. We're definitely fans.
For sure.
We kind of picked those up on the whim of like, oh, look.
I was like, even if they're not worth anything, who cares?
We'll keep them. But you listed them for $40 and we got a watcher.
Yeah.
So not too bad. But I'll go ahead and say it. Listen to your wives, people. If you're married, if you're not, you get to just do whatever you want. I didn't like the price. She was like $10 a piece. I was like, whatever, buy the little plush and we'll get out of here. And we got to the car and she was like, why didn't you make an offer?
Yeah, I'm like, just offer her something if we got all of them.
Okay, your price was a little low. She was like $5 a piece. And I was like, she's not going to do
That's
all
my
of
ideal
them
world, but
half off. I said, what's your top dollar? And she threw it out there. You saw it in the video. She was like, how about $20 for all of them? And you were exactly right, because this one here in the middle, that'll pay for it right
we
there.
just sold a jacket exactly like this in a different colorway for $30.
Yeah.
Like exact size and everything. So I was like, this has got to be worth $20.
Yeah. But easily everything that you kind of see here, I think we calculated it was like $31 or $32 for all of this. Not a huge haul, but we will make over $200. $200 on a quick little yard sale. I don't want to give it away, but wait for the next video. I might have picked up the coolest thing ever. To me, it's not one of my favorites.
One of the biggest things ever.
Yeah, probably our best flip if we can get it sold. So you'll definitely want to tune into the next video. But until then, thanks so much for watching, everybody. She greatly appreciates it, especially when she finds, like, go pick it up. She made me negotiate.
I did. I was like, well, I want the deal, but you're going to do it for me.
But be sure to subscribe. The channel's growing. We greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video. Anything you want to say?
Thanks for subscribing.